Hello friends, this is Zafir. Today I'm back with another video, and there are two main types of animals, invertebrates and vertebrates. As you can see, there's 5 types of vertebrates: birds, reptiles, fish, mammals, and amphibians. Let me give you a few of examples who these animals are. Birds. The group of birds such as sparrows, parrots, and owls. There's other types of birds too, such as swans, ducks, and even emus, and ostriches. And also the other birds which are also can be colorful, like the cassowary, but also there can be very dangerous. Also, these birds know how to swim. Reptiles. Let me tell you which ones are reptiles. Snakes, crocodiles, alligators, and lizards. Those are known to the family of reptiles. Fish. Fish includes sharks and lionfish, swordfish, and also parrotfish. Next is the mammals. We are mammals like us, and lions, and elephants, and deers, and antelopes. Next are amphibians. Salamanders and frogs are the most popular amphibians. They have gills so that they can breathe underwater, and lungs which help them breathe outside on land. They lay eggs, and their eggs are coated with the jelly. Next are invertebrates. Now there's 6 types invertebrates. Annelids. Annelids belong to like worms and other species of worms as well, and also flatworms, and also other types of annelids are flat or squirmy, like centipedes. There are also annelids. Sponges, like corals. Also, corals are sponges as well. Also, other types of sponges can be in the water and live for many years. They also approached before the Miocene period. Isn't that cool? Arthropods, such as crabs, isopods, and also more types of arthropods. Arthropods also make more reproducing, and their populations keep growing. Fourth, cnidarians. Cnidarians include jellyfish, urchins, and more types. Also, some types of animals or more, like jellyfish, are even cnidarians. Fifth are crustaceans. Crustaceans belong shrimp, lobsters, and shellfish. Mollusks. Mollusks like octopus, squids, and cuttlefish. Hello friends, I hope you liked my video today. Next time I'll come back with another video. Thank you, stay tuned.